Okay, so it says which functions are graphed correctly. So basically what I got to do is I've got to graph these particular functions and then see if they match the options. So it's only two functions, so I'm going to eliminate this, and then I'm just going to plug in my functions. So my boundaries change too. Oh, that's great. So this one goes from negative infinity to 0, but that's really just less than 0, right? Are they including the 0? Yeah. So this one, the first one is x is less than or equal to 0, and I don't need to put in infinity. I could just leave it like this. X is less than this. But then the function for that portion of the graph is x minus 2. So in here, I'm going to put minus 2. So far, so good. And then for the next boundary, it goes, it's x, it's greater than 0. So we're going to say x is greater than 0. And then for that particular function, the graph is x 3 to the x minus 1. So we're going to say 3 to the x minus 1. Whoops, I'm outside of the bracket there. So that's that. Now I'm going to set my scale. I notice that this goes from like 6 to 6, negative 6 to negative 6. So I'm going to set that parameter in my calculator. It'll make it a little easier for me to kind of going to make my graph look just like their graph for the most part. My x-axis goes from 6 to negative 6, and negative 6 to positive 6. So now my graph looks just like their graph, okay? So that one looks about right. Let's double check it. Let's take a picture. Well, actually, before I take the picture though, our graph looks just like theirs, but we got to figure out where the open circle is. So before I do that, in other words, if you look at this problem, it has a closed circle right here, right? If you look at that, right? So right here, we have a filled in circle. Well, when I look at the graph here, I have to determine if that point exists right there. Or does a point exist here? Like, where is it defined? Well, it really boils down to which one has the equal symbol. So, in other words, if I graph this, I have to think, like what where is the circle going to be closed? Well, it's going to be closed here because I have this equal symbol. So it's going to be defined down here. Okay, that's going to have the closed circle because I have that equal symbol, which means I'm including that. Now here I don't have that symbol. There's no equal sign. So that means I could go right up to 0, but I can't include 0 in what I. So that one's wrong. That one is wrong. And you might say, well, why? Well, because the closed circle's in the wrong spot. Okay. All right, so let's graph the next one. Luckily, this will get a little easier. So this one goes, includes -2, and I believe the function was 3. Plain old 3, huh? And then it's less than or equal to 2, and then x squared plus 1. So this is greater than -2. So this is going to look a lot like the graph again, but we still have to make that determination, like, what's the difference? Where is that open and closed circle supposed to be? Wait, I gotta take that picture again. I didn't include everything. Good Friday, yep. So again, the boundary is at 2, right? That's where our or -2. That's where our jump discontinuity exists, right? So if you look here, x equals -2 is the issue. Where's the closed circle go? Well, it goes where the equal sign is, right? So this one is the equal sign, and the function is 3. So the equal sign right here is where the closed circle goes. This one right here does not have an equal sign. Both of them have an x coordinate of 2, but one of them is defined and one is not. So this is an open circle. Hey, that's the right answer. I'll be doggone. Well, it doesn't say check the one, it says check all of them that are correct. Which functions are correctly graphed. Dang it, we gotta do this for all of these. Okay. So let's scroll down and go to the next one. Now the next one is this, x plus 2 less than 0. So I gotta come in here, no equal sign, just less than 0. And then in here, we're gonna say x plus 2. And then we're gonna put the inclusion on the 0. So this one is greater than or equal to 0. I think, what was it, 2 to the x? Yeah, 2 to the x. One thing I want to point out, though, real quick, and I've kind of glossed over this. So this 0 to the x to negative, or I'm sorry, to infinity, that's the same as x is greater than or equal to 0, right? That's the same thing, because what I'm doing is I'm flip-flopping this. I'm taking this and I'm flip-flopping it to become this. It opens up on the x, it points towards the 0. Oops, lost my little badge there. So that's how I'm able to get away with plugging it into the graphing calculator like this. Okay. So that was 2 to the x. And again, we have a jump discontinuity. So let's take a picture and see where we're going to define that. So now as I look at this graph, one of those ends, one of those boundaries is going to get a closed circle. Well, which one? Well, it's the one with the equal sign. This one has an equal sign, so this is the graph that's going to do that. That's this graph right here. Right? This is 2 to the x. This right here is x plus 2. Because that one has the equal sign, that gets the closed circle, and this is the open circle. Hey, that one's correct too. Wow, I can't believe this. We're almost done. Let's do one more. So here we have a boundary at -1. So in here, I'm going to say, I think it's less than or equal to -1. I think the function is -1, which is a little interesting. Let me double check, make sure. Oh, it's just less than. See this? Just less than. So now I need to change that. All right, and then the boundary is including 1. So this is going to be x is greater than 1. And 3x squared plus 3. So I'm going to put in here 3x squared plus 3. Whoa, holy moly, look at that thing. Is it 1 or -1? -1, okay. I made a little goof. This should have a negative in there. There we go. So this one here, again, we have a jump discontinuity. So what we have to decide is where is the closed circle going to go? That's the only way we can tell what the answer is. So we're going to go with where the equal sign is in the inequality, because that means we're including it. So because this goes here, and this is the function that relates to that, the closed circle goes here, because that's the quadratic, and the open circle goes here. So this one doesn't work either. Okay, so it's just the middle two, and that is